weekend of surf. Last day of that weekend. I'm debating whether to drop this episode on Friday because I don't have a Friday episode right now, or if I would drop it on with the consecutive other episodes. So that's what I'm thinking about. Sorry, I'm driving and someone just walked out in the road. So yeah, but that's what I'm thinking of. Today is also Valentine's Day, so to my beautiful wife, happy Valentine's Day. You know, I hope you enjoy this one. And yeah, I think we'll probably plan something for that. Yeah. There you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and follow through. Pow. I also didn't tell you guys, we're going to Copa. As in, well, as you guys have probably noticed, we'll say we're going to somewhere and then get a report that somewhere else is good. You kind of roll with the dice, because you know, some spots don't break good all the time, and when they are, they go. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're at Runways. It's going off. It's exactly what I was looking for. I think this is a great finale to the week of surf. It's so clean and it's barreling. Yeah, so this is the first session. We're probably gonna go to Lighthouse after. I don't know. Kind of just figuring it out. But yeah, I kind of came out with a crew who's like not from Jamaica and one of the pros from Jamaica. We're just hunting waves. I got till 1 o'clock, so gotta make best use out of the time. So guys, we just got out of the water, and on my way in I dropped and my board flipped and I got this scar. You know, a little carnage. Now I never kill nobody, you know, but anyhow, yeah. Alright guys, so that's the last episode of the session. I think this is gonna drop on Friday. But yeah, we just had a fun session out. We being me, David,
yes,
and Marcus.
Hello guys.
Yeah man, these guys are ripping. We were out there. One other person was here, Patrick. He left, but we had a blast. That was fun. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, send it to someone who you think might like this kind of footage, and big up yourself as always. I hope you are enjoying these episodes. I'm out.